How to enable email, comments, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable email, comments, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud, and here we'll find the library. Click on it, and then click here in the top corner, and here we'll find settings. Now click notifications and scroll down until you find this one here. Comment on your post. Here you will find it. Now you can just click on it, turn it on, and go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.